What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when apps are crashing in iOS 18. iOS 18 is Apple's latest operating system, and since it's still new, some users have been experiencing app crashes and other performance issues. There are multiple fixes you can try to get things working smoothly again. First, you'll want to check if there's a new iOS update available. Sometimes, Apple quickly releases minor updates to fix bugs after a major iOS release, and installing those can often resolve app-related issues. Head over to your settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Here, select Software Update. If an update is available, make sure to download and install it. This could be a quick fix to the crashing problem, as Apple might have rolled out a patch to address this very issue. Next, make sure that all your apps are up to date. Some developers may not have fully optimized their apps for iOS 18 yet, and running outdated versions of apps could lead to instability and crashes. To check for app updates, open the App Store. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and scroll down to see a list of available app updates. If any of your apps need updating, just tap Update All or individually update the apps that are crashing. This step ensures that you're running the latest versions, which are more likely to be compatible with iOS 18. Another quick and effective solution is to simply restart your iPhone. It may sound basic, but sometimes a bug or temporary glitch can cause apps to crash, and restarting your phone can clear out those minor issues. To do this, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then, press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button until the slide to power off screen appears. Drag the slider to the right to shut down your device. Afterwards, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo flashes back on. A successful restart will resolve any app crashing problems. If those solutions didn't work, you might need to reset all of your settings. Sometimes, certain settings on your iPhone can cause conflicts that lead to apps crashing, and resetting them can resolve this issue. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your data, but it will reset things like Wi-Fi passwords, wallpapers, and preferences. To reset all settings, head back to your settings, tap on General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Reset. Choose Reset All Settings. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode, and once confirmed, your settings will return to default. After the reset, verify to see if the apps are working properly again. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.